What?
What are you gonna do?
Making a video. A swap. I'll see you in a bit. Well, I'm pretty sure that camera's not going to stay there. But let's try. Put my seatbelt on. Right, today's video is about me swapping a guitar. And the reason I'm making a video is because the guitar I'm swapping I was given as a gift by somebody. Well, Tom Noble actually. 4 years ago I had the luck and the privilege to go to America and meet a lot of people. And whilst I was there, Tom Noble gave me a guitar. Well, he offered me a guitar, asked me if I wanted it. And if somebody says, do you want a guitar? I go, you don't say no. But the guitar he gave me was an Epiphone. It's called the Bisket. It's like a resonator guitar. I'll show you in a bit. And it's set up for slide guitar, which I've never played slide guitar. So it's never been used. It's literally been sat in my guitar collection for 4 years, never been used. So it's just a waste. So I'm swapping it for something that I actually want. Somebody have offered me a deal, so I was just going to sell it and then put the money towards something that I actually want. But somebody this morning have offered me an Epiphone Dot, which is the same as a Gibson 335, which is something I've always wanted. So I've accepted the offer. I'm going up to see it now. It's quite a way. It's a 30-minute drive. So yeah, so I'm going up to see it now and hopefully do the swap. So the reason I'm making this video is because I just want to be transparent. I know it was a gift from Tom Noble, and some people might think, you know, I shouldn't give away a gift. But it's just sat there doing nothing, so I'd rather it be used and then me have something I can use. And I'm sure Tom would be the same. If Tom was still speaking to me, but that's another story. So that's why I'm making this video. So, whoa. So there might be some nice views on the way because we're going up to Hazeydaze. So I'll show you. There it is. Stay tuned. I've also brought myself a coffee, like a big boy. Head out on the highway. Missed my turn in doing all this fucking filming nonsense, so I've had to probably go another 5 miles out my way. Damn, son. Gonna get back on there.
Turn left to stay on Prosser Street, then turn right.
This is hell of a fucking hell, mate. What the fuck? Proper on a mountain. I'm using it. Right, let me show you what's in this case. Let's have a quick look in here, show you what I'm swapping. It's a lovely guitar, but it serves no purpose for me. So let's see what I'm coming back with. See you in a mo. And just by magic, boom. Check this out. Ready? Then check that out, boy. Epiphone for Epiphone. First swap. Needs new strings, which he just give me a pack of new strings as well. He paid my fuel. Happy days. Let's get it home and restrung and played. Right, so I think that was a fair deal, man. The reason I made this video is because I didn't want Tom, although it doesn't really matter because Tom have not been very cool to me lately since his son wanted to shoot me in the face. But anyway, that's another story. I'm not going to get involved in all that because it is what it is. But yeah, it's pointless me. I just class this as the gift from Tom now. It's not as if I haven't got the gift. This gift is going to be used, and it's something I've always wanted. So I totally appreciate still the gift of the guitar in the beginning, you know, the beninging. But yeah, just thought I'd just be straight. I didn't want anyone to say, you know, where's that guitar Tom gave you, and me saying, oh, well, you know, a couple of years ago I swapped it for an Epiphone 335 that I always wanted. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed this video. Just a little snippet on my Sunday, what I'm doing. I'm going to go home now, string it up, and I might even give you a little, no, I'm not going to give you a little taste at the end of this video, but you'll see that guitar in a video real soon. So thanks for watching. Peace.